You are going to love the 2018 RDX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, trip computer, electroluminescent instrumentation, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.